Hello guys and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to lock Instagram on iPhone with Face ID and passcode. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so you're going to want to have a app called Shortcuts. Go ahead and open that up, and then all you need to do is click on automation in the bottom there. Then you want to go ahead and create a personal automation. Now what we're going to search for here is the app, so you'll see it here. And then all you need to do is go ahead and click to choose app and search for the app that you want. And the one that we're specifically choosing is Instagram. So click on Instagram, click done. And then all you need to do is go ahead and click next. Then what we want to do is add an action. So the action that we're going to be looking for is the timer. So we'll just search it up here on the search bar. So go ahead and search up timer, click on the clock and go ahead and start a timer. And then we're going to change this to 1 second, and we'll change out the seconds, and then we'll put that to 1 second. And all we need to do is click next, and then go ahead and turn off the ask before running and say don't ask. Then go ahead and click done. So when they open up the Instagram account, so you'll see it now, I'll go ahead and demonstrate it here. So if you do click on the Instagram account, what will happen now is, so if I set this to 1 second for the timer, and then if I click off this, just make sure that you put stop playing when the timer ends. So once I've opened up the Instagram app, you'll see this notification, and that's pretty much it. So it's as easy as that. That is how to lock Instagram on iPhone using Face ID and a passcode. If you guys found the video helpful, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.